When the war broke out in 1938, that's when I was born. But by the time I was about 4 or 5, I mean, we knew there was a war because we had the blinds that you had to pull down at night. Because our house overlooked the bay, when a lot of ships used to come through, one of the slogans was, "Don't talk about ships or shipping," you know, in order to protect us from the enemy. And so I never felt insecure. My brother was born in 1942, so by the time the war was over, he was 3 and a bit. But about the murdering of the Jews, nobody knew for certain who had survived and who hadn't. But my father kept all of these Yiddish letters that he got from his father until no more letters arrived, I guess, which I haven't gone through all the letters yet. But that's one of my projects, out of respect for my grandfather and my father and my younger brother, who was very keen to preserve the legacy of the letters. So I'll definitely work on that. There was a magazine called The War Illustrated. Must have been published in England. Either after the war or towards the end of the war, we used to look at it, my brother and I, sit on the couch and page through that. I mean, I'm sure I couldn't read very well. We used to look at the pictures, so we must have known. But when did I become aware of what the atrocities? I don't know, and that's in a way it's worrying me, because I'm thinking, well, when should I tell my grandchildren? At what age should kids know what the horrible things that happened? I haven't worked that one out yet. One wants to protect them.